Okay, today is May 5th, 2017. We had a pretty good stock I was watching. I didn't have a watch list. I was only watching VRX, Valiant Pharmaceuticals, because it's a big runner. It's down to what, 11, 12 bucks, right in that range now. And as you can see on the screen, we got a 208 gain realized off the shares. I started building the position. As you can see, the position started at about 2,000 shares, then I added another 2,000, and then again the last 1,000 shares added 2 minutes later, so a grand total of 5,000 shares. And it was pretty cool. I think that brought my average cost to 11.53 after all of these fields happened. So it was 11.53 field right at this level right in here. Right up in here I started building a position in these two candles. From here I was waiting for the dip. Let me put a line right there. So that's where I got in. The average cost is 53. Okay, so that's the average cost of 53, and I got a super quick scalp at 11.49 right there. So you can see it's pretty small as far as when I was kind of coming in. So 53 is when I got in, and I closed out at 49. Go back up and place it if I can. That's just too small, just way too small. Almost, yeah, you can hardly see the two lines. But let me just delete this line here. So I'll just place it here. So 11.49. So there's really just this bottom half right up in here. It actually came down to 40. Could have made a little bit more on those 5,000 shares, but I got it at 49. So it's just a quick scalp to the downside, and it collapsed all the way back really to 10 and change. No, actually this is up in here. I'm at the wrong time frame. This is the previous day. So up in here is where I got it, and it bounced back to 40. 41 and 46 or so, and then it's continuing to run right up in here. But you can see just got this quick bounce and just fall off, because I know this was the top at 68, and the volume just kept collapsing. It's the volume here at the bottom. It just kept going down, going down, and then this spike up here is a sell-off of this candle on this side right there. So this was the candle where the huge sell-off, which was about 100 and some thousand shares. Yeah, so how many shares was that? That was a lot of shares. Over almost of 1 million shares sold off in that area. So just to explain the trade, I didn't get to catch it live, but just wanted to record what I had completed for the day, just to show what the trade was. And then it kind of ran up. I hate to short trending up stocks, because trending up stocks usually they're buyers at the dip. So it's buyers at the dip, buyers at the dip, buyers at the dip, buyers at the dip, all the way up. And so you have to really time it really good if you're going to buy, if you're going to short at the top here, because you know those buyers are right there. You can see the order flow here on the level 2 of where those big buyers are, and you can kind of time it all, but it's kind of dangerous to go against the trend. So that quick scalp is what I was really looking for, because I know they were selling off, buying the dip, selling off, buying the dip. So I would rather have went with the trend, but just didn't get in early enough right up in here in this area to buy that. That true sell-off came right at the open. So right at the open, it just gave a doji. Open this up a little bit more. Right at the open, just gave you this gravestone doji, which is right up in here. And from the gravestone doji, it just collapsed, and you only had one up candle here, and then there's just a bear sandwich right up in here. It just collapsed. Nothing but red candles, nothing but a huge sell-off. Then you tried to attempt to come back up, but it couldn't, and it just fell off again. Had a couple of green candles. Remember, this is just the 1 minute. Let me go to the 2 minute, give you a little bit better. The 2 minute even showed even more. It's just all closing red candles right from the open, and a couple of attempts to the upside, and then it really started right at about 10:12, 10:15, right up in here. Yeah, right up in this area right here, to start a decline. So with that being said, I just want to close this video out. I didn't want to make it too long, but as you can see, 208, one and done. The trade lasted every bit of was that 13 minutes, in at 11:43, completely out of the whole position of 5,000 shares at 11:56. So that's yeah, 13 minutes total for the trade. 208 is not bad at all. As I always say in party, to live is Christ and to die is gain.